Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I am replacing this old Honeywell thermostat, and I am going to be replacing it with this Nest Thermostat E, and this is only for heating system only. I have a boiler and I also have baseboard for heating, so this is only should have 2 wires only, and I'm going to show you once we remove this. The first thing I did was I turned off the power. In my case, I have a red switch. I turned it off. In your case, you may have to go to your circuit breaker and find which one is for this power source and turn it off. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to remove this cover right here. By the way, this is a Honeywell T87F. I don't even think they make these anymore. So I'm going to be replacing it. And the first thing, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. And you're going to need a thin one. And the reason why you're going to need a thin one, because this one in here, right in here, only a thin one can go in here. So I'm going to remove all 3 of them. There goes one right here. I'm going to be removing this one. Goes one. And then you're going to remove the one right up here. Right there. See if you can see that? Give you a little room for you can see it. There you go. So you want to remove it all the way. And if they paint over it, you're going to have to pull it. So those 2 are off. And then you have to take this one, the one under here, off also. So once you take that off, should be able to come out very very easily. And there it goes. See it? That's the wire right there. I mean, that's one of the screws there. The last one is screwed right in here. So you see we have 2 of them. Now that we have removed it, you have a white wire and you have a red wire. Like I said, it's only for heating system only. So I'm going to remove these. Move the white. I'm just going to have to play with it because it's bending there. So what you want to do is straighten them out. Okay, now that you have straightened those out, the wiring, what you want to do is remove this plate. And it seems like it's being held by 2 screws. 1, 2. And we're going to remove it. Okay, now that you have removed this plate, you can see, now that you got these straightened out, now your new thermostat is going to come with a plate. So it's up to you. You want to put the plate. I am going to put the plate. So you have your plate here. So you have the option. I'm just going to put the wires right in through here. Now you have the option to put it like this or put it like this. So I'm going to put it like this. Now the other thing you can do also, you can put 4 screws if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want. But it only came with 2 screws. So I'm going to use the 2 screws they gave me. And they are Phillips. And it comes with this right here. And all you have to do is, like I said, you can screw it first. But I'm gonna do it this way because it has this right here, this measurement here to see if it's straight. So you just put it right in. And you're gonna click it there. You wanna put the wires through the middle. And then what you can do is mark it if you don't have a pen. First you want to make sure that right in the top up here, if you see it, you want to make sure to see if it's straight. So you can move it. Just put the screw in. I create a little hole. And just start screwing it in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna finish screwing both of them in, and I'll be right back. Now that you have put both screws in, what you want to do is, like this is only a heating system only. You have a white and a red. So the white one, you're gonna put it where it says white, right in here. And all you're gonna do is just press this button right here, this button, and you're gonna take the wire, the white one, and you're gonna push it right in there. All right? Then you're gonna take the red one, and you're gonna put the red one. You're gonna do the same thing with the red. You're gonna press here. You're gonna take the red, make sure it's straight. And all you're gonna do is just take the red one and put it right in the hole. And push it in, make sure it's right in. Let it go. Make sure it's in. Okay. So it's in, make sure the wires is nice and tight. That's what you want to make sure. They're nice and tight in there. And what you're going to do now, you're going to put your thermostat in. Make sure it's nice and connected. And you're going to take your thermostat. You have this right here. All you're going to do is just press it in. And it's in. So now from here, now it's already connected. So I'm just going to turn the power on just to see if it turns on. Okay, you see a green light. I turned on the power. So now we got a little face there. And from here, this thing's supposed to guide me. So we're going to see right now. Okay, so you press it in. And it's directing me now English. Yes. Press it in. Confirm your choice. Confirm it. On. Then it says set up step language, internet connection, your location and country. So once you're connected and you put your Wi-Fi, it's going to take you to the step. It says set up steps, language. I already did the language. I went to the internet connection. It's going to go to your location, equipment, temperature. All this is going to take you to the whole process. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the whole process. Then I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to come right back to see how this looks and how the temperature works. So I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, I'm back. I finished installing it. I finished setting it up. Look at how nice it looks compared to the one I had before. I have a smile in my face because I really thought I wasn't going to be able to do this. And I always say, if non-mechanic can do it, you can do it. You know, the Nest, they actually did a good job on directing you on what to do. You just got to make sure you have your password with you. You also could download the app and you can control it from your app. They will ask you where your location is at. You put it in here, and then little by little it start learning your habit. So for now, I just pick the basic just so I can control it, and then once it learns my habit, you know, I could start saving some energy. Right now I'm saving energy because whenever you see the green, that means I am saving energy. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101 at yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101 at yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.